the beaver dam here. Where's the beavers? Where's the beavers? This is how Bear is when he sees something he wants. He just stands there and stares at it and hopes that it'll come. Bear! Bear! That's a big one. Do you think you can do it? Okay. You think you can do it? You did it!
Got it.
Yay! Good job!
Whoa,
Oh, tug of war. We're gonna do tug of war.
I don't trust you.
Whoa! You're so
He's strong. He is strong.
strong boy.
Don't let him rip your arm out. So here we are. I'm gonna do a circle here. So we're standing on a beaver dam, and that area is Steve's quarter. Steve Klein. Oh, what are you? You're partridge. Shell, those are partridge. That's a lot of partridges.
My goodness.
Cool. I think I missed it, Steve. I'm sorry. Anyway, and then
They were there.
they were there, and then they gone. And that's the beaver dam we're standing on. And
So are there beavers here? Or are they been
it doesn't look like they're on this. There's about 4 dams farther back,
Okay.
and they're farther back. But can you see that?
Oh, the
house
hill there.
Yeah, that's a house.
Okay.
Last year they were up here and smacking their tail and mad at him.
Oh, yeah.
They're mad at him.
You can't get a beaver, buddy.
That's what I was told.
A muskrat, yes.
They could take a dog down, actually,
Yeah.
apparently.
Oh, yeah.
I've heard.
Well, have you seen their teeth?
Yeah. I wonder if their fingernails are...
Oh, everything. Like sharp claws.
Okay.
Big tail that looks like a
Are they
paddle.